Here's a common mistake: naming your minor children as beneficiaries on your life insurance policy or any 401k, IRA, Roth IRA, or other type of retirement account. Many of us married parents have our spouses listed as our primary beneficiaries on these accounts, and we have young children at home, so naturally we think, oh, well, if I pass away and my spouse has already died, then I of course want my life insurance policy and all the money in my retirement accounts to go to my children. So I'm going to list my children as our contingent beneficiaries or secondary beneficiaries. Completely makes sense when you're thinking about the logic of it. Unfortunately, the law gets involved in a situation like that. So it's not about the logic, it's about the law here. And what the law says is that a minor cannot receive a payout from a life insurance company or be the recipient of a retirement account principal on their own because they're not yet legal adults. And so the law recognizes that these minor children aren't going to be able to manage this money. So what happens? What happens is those accounts land in probate court. So what is the reality is that the life insurance company is not going to send a check to your minor child. What they're going to request is an order from the court to release those funds to a specific fiduciary to manage the funds on behalf of your minor child. So this is going to require a court action through the probate court. It's going to take a lot of time. It's going to cost money. And it ultimately is going to lead to your child not having the person necessarily that you would want to manage the funds for them. And of course, lastly, when they turn 18, the court releases those funds directly to them. So, not an ideal outcome, right? So, a better way would be to establish a trust. And naming the trust or the sub-trusts to your children of your trust as the beneficiaries of your life insurance or retirement accounts. That way, you can choose who's going to manage the funds for your children, how long they're going to manage them, and what they're going to use those funds for. All outside of a court action. So no court, no probate. So please, do yourself a favor. Number one, check your beneficiary designations on your life insurance and your retirement accounts or any account that you have beneficiaries designated, so you know who your beneficiaries are. And if you have if you've designated children, minor children, as your beneficiaries, please do yourself a favor and explore creating a trust. It will save your family a lot of headache, court time, and cost. My name is Kevin Snyder of Snyder Law. I'm a estate planning attorney. I'm also a father and business owner and a person who is very interested in protecting the future for my children as well as the children of all of our clients. If you'd like to know more information, helpful tips, other common mistakes to avoid, please just check out our YouTube channel. There's a bunch of other great videos talking about some other important topics and things that I see on a daily basis here in my practice, and would love to extend that knowledge out to you. So until the next time, keep being amazing.